With Screencast-O-Matic, you can create short videos of your computer screen and upload those videos in YouTube. All you need is a computer with internet access and a headset. First, go to Screencast-O-Matic.com. Then open the file or web page that you want to record. If you're recording a web page, open it in a new tab. Go back to Screencast-O-Matic. Click on Start Recording for Free. Launch Free Recorder. And open Screen Recorder Launcher. In a few seconds, the Screen Recorder picture frame will appear. Choose whether you want to record your screen only, your webcam only, or both your screen and webcam. If you're recording your webcam or your screen and webcam, choose the webcam that you'll be using. When recording both your screen and webcam, you have the option of displaying your webcam full screen or as a thumbnail that you can click and drag anywhere within the frame. Now go to the file or web page that you want to record. If the picture frame disappears, click on the Screen Recorder icon in your taskbar. To capture what you want to record, click and drag the crosshairs to move the picture frame. Or if you want to record the entire window, minimize it and resize it to fit the picture frame. If you'll be adding captions later in YouTube, don't record anything important in the lower third of the picture frame. Check the screen size next. The best resolution for YouTube videos is 720p. Now click on the arrow across from narration and select the microphone that you're using. To adjust the volume, click on Auto Adjust Volume and talk into the mic. You can test the volume by making a recording. Click on Record, talk into the mic, and click on Play. Then click on OK. After you've adjusted the volume, you're ready to record. Click on the red Record button and wait for the countdown. Wait another second or two and start talking. The frame will record any mouse movements or clicks that you make within the frame. To stop recording, wait a second or two before clicking on the pause icon. You can preview what you recorded by clicking on Play. If you decide that you want to delete and re-record your video, click on the trash can icon and select Yes. Start over. If you make mistakes at the end of a screencast, you can record over them. After stopping your recording, click on the play button. Decide where you want to re-record and press the pause button. Click on the record button and select Yes, truncate. You can then begin recording over your ending. Click on the pause button to stop recording. When you're satisfied with your video, click on Done and Save Upload. You can preview your video once more by clicking on Play, and you can cut footage from the beginning and end of your video by moving the sliders to the left and right of the recording. Next, go to Save as Video File. You can then rename your file and choose a folder to save it to. Finally, click on Publish And done. Your video will be saved to your folder as an MP4 file that you can upload and edit in YouTube.